Hey, it's Jerry again, and I was just thinking about how I get so caught up sometimes in trying to make like this absolute perfect product so I can release to you guys, and eventually it just kind of bogs me down and I don't put anything out. All I gotta do is just do what I'm doing right now. Talking to you, being honest, being genuine. And I think that's the best way to connect with you guys anyway. So don't worry so much about doing all the legwork, putting in all this, making everything perfect, make sure the lighting's perfect, the microphone. It took me like 5 minutes to get this thing in focus. Not really, but I mean, it took a couple minutes where obviously like I had it right the first time, but I just kept overthinking it. Don't overthink what you're doing. And I released a little segment on Instagram at Jerry S. Kuchera, where I talked about a book that I was reading, Crushing It, by Gary Vaynerchuk. You guys probably know. If you don't, you should definitely check him out. He has a lot of good information, and he's really helped me a lot. So I know he can probably help you out, especially if you're interested in doing something like this, building a brand, especially building a brand online. So what he talks about is to use the notion of documenting, don't create. So kind of how I was talking about in the beginning, where I'd be working on content, I would maybe spend a week like writing out this like big blueprint for it, how it's going to come out, what I'm going to say. But then when I'm going to get ready to do it, I either A, never finish it because I keep trying to critique everything and I'm too worried about every little single detail, or B, I just come up here and then I kind of freeze because I don't like how it turned out. So that taught me some valuable things, because like yesterday I released a video which was about Good Friday. You can check it out. I'll leave a link right here. And what I really internalized, especially after doing that, was that it really is so much easier just to document it. Because when I'm not focused on all this external stuff, I really am able to just be myself, be genuine, and that's what at the end of the day matters. Because why am I doing this? To learn, to teach, and hopefully be able to meet and interact with some other great like-minded individuals. Another great thing about creating or documenting and not creating is that, look at it like how I said, don't have to worry about the perfection. What's going to be incredible is when I look back at this video in, let's say 1 year, let's say even a couple months, and I'm going to see how far I've come. And eventually, when the things I've envisioned actually really start to manifest, I'm going to look back on this and be like, wow, like this part of the journey was really incredible, and it really helped move me to where I was trying to go. You know what you should do? Smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and click on my dog Marty, who I'm not going to keep shouting out every video, but I just love Marty, what can I say? And let me know what you think and any tips you have on building a brand or just releasing content in general, because I want to use your advice. Hopefully you can use my advice, and we can all build something together. So remember, just friggin' do it. Don't worry about what everybody else thinks. Do you and make the best of it. What's critical is that you learn and adjust. That's the most important thing. Just like I mentioned in the first book review I did, which was really like one of the main key points of that. So thanks for listening. We'll talk again soon. Reach out to me. I'd love to chat with anybody who's interested in this kind of stuff, personal development, just making things better for themselves and everybody else that they interact with. So thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye-bye.